Good morning, students. Today we are going to see another writing skill, that is report writing. This question also appears in subdivision B, that is in question number 37, 38, 39, or 40. It may either appear in one of these questions and it carries 3 marks. So in this video we'll be saying what is a report, the meaning of report, what are the format that you have to follow while writing a report, what are the things you have to keep in mind, and one example is also given for writing the report. So let us see what is a report writing. A report or a factual description is a form of communication in which some information is conveyed, usually in writing, to someone who wants it in the form of report. Has to be such that the person receiving it can be drawn information from the report quickly and easily. A report can be of many kinds. So let me repeat here. A report or factual description is a form of communication. So report writing is a form of communication. We can communicate to many people through, we can convey our information to the people in which some information is conveyed, usually in writing. So it is only in written form to someone who wants it. The form of report has to be such that the person receiving it can draw information from the report quickly and easily. They have to get the information quickly as well as easily. A report can be of many kinds, that is, it can be formal report and informal report. So next is the format of report writing. So it should first of all have a heading. Then you have to come to the byline. What is a byline? That is the name of the writer. So the person one who is writing the report has to write his or her name. That is considered as the byline. Then you have to come to the place, month and date. Then you have to come to the introductory part that should specifically mention about why you are writing a report there, when did that incident happen, what happened, and where did it happen. All these has to be given in the introductory part. Then account of event in detail. Then comes the explanation of the whole event has to be explained in detail. Then the conclusion part. So let me again give out the format of writing a report: heading, byline, place, month and date, introduction, account of event in detail, and conclusion. The next is the example there. A seminar on Stop Plastic Save Earth was held in your school. Write a report on about 40 words giving the information of the seminar. Seminar on ill effects of plastic, that is the heading. So that can be even highlighted or written in block letters. See there, you have the byline here, a report by Muhammad Yusuf, that is the byline. So byline is the name of the person who is writing the report. A seminar on Stop Plastic Save Earth was held in our school on 6th of June 2019. The Education Minister of Tamil Nadu was the chief guest. Principals and the teachers of different schools and the parents took part in the seminar. The speakers stressed the need of the hour to save earth and to stop using plastics in all form. Everybody present pledged for the same. So this is since they have specifically given only 40 words have to be written, we have just mentioned all the details in a very nutshell. So look at the seminar on ill effects of plastics, that is the heading. A report by Muhammad Yusuf, that is the byline, and then you come to the introductory part. So it gives all the WH question, where, why, what, and where it took place. All the WH words have been explained in this content there. A seminar on Stop Plastic Save Earth. So what is being what was held, that is given there, was held. Look at the tense there. They have used only past tense because already the seminar has been conducted in our school on 6th of June 2019. The Education Minister of Tamil Nadu was the chief guest. That is also another information. Principals and teachers and the teachers of different schools and parents took part in the seminar. Who all took part in the seminar? That is being given there. The speakers stressed the need of the hour. Need of the hour means the importance of the message to save Earth and to stop using plastics in all form. Everybody present pledged for the same. Pledge for the same means they took a promise or oath. So this is an example of report. So you can also write such reports. Then you have got the points to remember. See there are nearly 6 to 7 points to be kept in mind. So our first point is mention the place, date, time and other relevant facts about the event. Include the information collected from the people around or affected by the event. Write the name of the reporter. Provide suitable title, heading. Write in past tense. This is very important in report writing because you are describing about an event which has already taken place. Write in reported speech and in passive form of expression. That is also very important. You should not use direct speech and active form of expressions here. So that is the very important thing. So let me recall the points to remember again. Mention the place, date, time and other relevant facts about the event. Include the information collected from the people around or affected by the event. Write the name of the reporter. Provide suitable title or heading. Write in past tense. Write in reported speech and in passive form of expression. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind while writing your report. So thank you, students.